Welcome to episode 47 of DJ Talk Season 2. Remember to subscribe if you like the video. Today I will be talking about the show Top Cat. Top Cat is an American animated television series made by Hanna-Barbera. The show is an animated sitcom about a Manhattan alley cat gang and their adventures while messing with the officer on the officer with the cast includes Top Cat voiced by Arnold Sad, Benny Bull voiced by Melga Golfer, Chichu voiced by Marvel, Kepler, Brain voiced by Leo D. Lang, and Officer Dickle, voiced by Alan Jenkins. I rate the show a 7.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you like the video. Bye.